Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle. Today we're doing yet another video. I gotta turn this. Hold on. We're gonna redo that intro. Cut. Welcome back to BJP Lifestyle. Today we're gonna be doing the top 5 things that I love about my 2016 Chevy Silverado. So we're just about passing the 2-month mark of owning this truck. So obviously it's not brand new. It's new to me. It did not have many miles on it. I think it had 45,000 when I first purchased it. But I'm going to be going over the top 5 things that I love. I got some notes here on my phone so that I can go over them without forgetting. So the number one thing that I love about my Chevy Silverado is the interior. So one of the things that I was looking for when I was going to purchase a new truck was either, am I going to go buy a $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 2004 Silverado, or am I just going to dish out the money and just go all the way and get exactly what I want and get the nice leather wrap steering wheel? Or am I just going to go and get the old one with the crappy beat up steering wheel? Or am I going to get the nice interior? I know a lot of people say that the newer Chevys are compared to the others because the Ram has like a giant like touch screen like a Tesla. But you got to think about it this way. Like it's a truck, first of all. So to have like a Tahoe interior in your truck and it being like a lot more luxury, it feels very like I wouldn't say luxury, but like I've got the nice heated seats and the dual climate controls and the nice navigation like touchscreen and all that kind of stuff. That's what I mean when I say like luxury. I don't mean like I'm in the back of a Maybach like just chilling, you know what I mean? Like I'm not getting chauffeured around, like it's a truck still. But I just mean like the nice like luxury things that you don't need necessarily. I mean like the heated seats, you might need those, but I just mean in general like it's definitely a lot more upscale and like high end in here compared to the older generations where I wouldn't have got any of this nice stuff and it would have been very like old and like truck, you know what I mean? It would have been straight truck. So that was one of the things that I was really looking into and that I really wanted in the truck was the updated interior and the nice new interior. I really like it. I like the colors of the trim. I like the style. I like the design of the interior. I like the big center console with the big like box in the middle, everything. Overall, that's probably my favorite thing, which kind of leads into 2 other things, which include the heated seats and how fast they heat up, because I've been in many cars that have heated seats, and I think it's very rare that they have this warm of heated seats or this fast of heating up heated seats. Like if I turn this over and click those heated seats right now, they would be warm in probably about 10 or 20 seconds. I don't know what's flying around me. I'm scared. Alright, now hopefully the air is not too loud because I just had to put up the windows. There's bees flying around. If you saw my previous video or one of my videos, I'm not sure when it's going to come out, but if you see it and you see me run away, I'm wearing the same thing. I'm recording like 5 videos today. I'm going to be completely honest with you. I bang out these videos when I can, and that's pretty much it. So, yeah, the heated seats and how fast they heat up, which is also, I guess, part of the interior. I really do like that, and it's a very nice feature, especially being up here in the Northeast when it gets cold outside. It's a huge feature. Thirdly is the CarPlay setup and like the entire like infotainment system. The screen and like all that it has to do with it. There's a lot of settings in there that people don't know about. Like you can go into here and you can like set the windows to go up and down with your remote start and things like that. Just are nice features. Overall, I like the way that it's set up. It's super simple. It's straight to the point. Like, oh, you want to go to Pandora? Here it is. You want your audio? Here it is. You want to use your protection so you can do your CarPlay? Boom, there it is. Which I guess is kind of also a downfall with CarPlay because you can't do CarPlay through wires. You have to plug it in, which I guess is fine. I mean, you're going to plug it in probably anyway, unless you're using the wireless charger here, which, you know, that would make sense. You can do Bluetooth CarPlay. Anyway, so let's get out of the interior because the interior is obviously just one big feature. And one of the other things that I love about this truck is I did get the extended cab. So as you can see, got an extended cab. The cab is extended. Now basically, I like that because it's not giving me all of the room of a 4-door like full like crew cab truck, but I still get enough room where I can bring people back there for short drives or even a long drive if they're shorter people or whatever. Because with the automatic seats, you can kind of adjust yourself to be so that everyone's comfortable. And then probably the biggest thing that I love about the 2016 Silverados, is how aggressive the front end looks. As you know, obviously most of the Chevys are pretty boxy, and they're known for the boxy square wheel wells, which doesn't really make much sense, but I love how it looks and I love how aggressive it looks. But they also have that boxy look. So the 2014s and 2015s kind of brought in that newer generation, and they kind of like squared up the front like this a lot more. With the 2016, it has a very nice hood, very aggressive looking hood, with lots of dips, and it just looks really nice and aggressive, as well as like the front grille and bumper and everything is all is a little bit different than the 2014 and 2015 model. They kind of changed it a little bit in 2016, and they kind of just like, I don't know how to explain it, but they took their original design, which looked very blocky and straightforward, and they kind of changed it a little bit more to look a little bit better, in my opinion. So those are personally, my opinion, my top 5 things that I love about my Silverado. Be sure to stay tuned for the top 5 things that I hate/dislike about my Silverado. It was kind of hard to come up with a complete 5 list, because I love this truck, and I've dreamt about having this truck for so long, and now that it's finally mine, you know, there is a few things that I don't like about it. So make sure to stay tuned for that video. I'm probably gonna record that one right after this one, so I'll probably be wearing the same thing when you watch that. But yeah, that's about it for this one. So make sure you click that like button down below. I really do appreciate it. It does help me out, as well as let me know if you enjoyed the content. Let me comment down anything down below that you love or hate about your Silverado or your Ram or any of the other trucks that you might have. I'd love to hear it, and I'd love to build that community and get that interaction with you guys. Make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with future content. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.